Hello, hello. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today we are doing a fall manicure. The color of our nail is going to be Chocolate by Model Ones from the Fashion Collection. I really like this color. It is a great fall color. We're going to be adding some leaf water decals. Can't remember where I got them. I think Pumpkin Guy gave them to me. I could be wrong, but she'll have to watch and tell me if yay or nay, if that's where they come from. So, I thank you. If not, then I'm sorry, but my memory does not always serve me correct. No harm, no foul. Whoops. We are going to pop these beauties into the lamp. We're going to cure for 60. And, whoops, I'll be right back. Alrighty, we're back. We have cured our nails. They are this beautiful chocolate color by Model Ones. It's a little mini. Really like it. Here is the sheet of nails. I thought they were stickers. I really did. Tried peeling them off. Nothing was happening. So they are water decals. But these were really super cute. So we are going to put these on the chocolate nails. I think they'll be a beautiful touch together. Or will we do? Will we? Clean up my mess there that I made. Nice. I got my Beauty Big Bang stamper. That is how I like to pick up my decals. So, I'm going to start with this really pretty green one. Totally loved it. I'm going to pop that on the nail here. Definitely, where's my cuticle pusher? Always check for any air or water bubbles. You never know. Oh yeah. Gotta put the other maple with the maple. Beautiful. Look at how that looks. Isn't it stunning? The colors go really well together. Beautiful. Oh. There we go. Try to put this the right way. There we go. And I've got two left, and I am going to put these just on the ring finger. Didn't plan for 3 nails, but it happened. There we go. Clean my mess up here real quick. And there we go, we are finished. Got a top cut. Well, we're done with the decals. That's it. It's the only part we're finished with. We are going to put some bling. Some nice fall colors on the nails. But I do want to pause real quick. I think on the thumb I want a bigger one. Alright, we're back. I think I got my stuff together here. Gonna do the thumbnail and cure that because they always seem to slide around on me. So I'm gonna use a bigger one. See how it slid? Yep, that's how I want it. I'm going to flash cure this really quick. Take us a quick 10-15 seconds. Hope you don't mind hanging out for the duration of this. Can't really reach it to pause it. I'm sorry. 2 seconds left to go. There we go. This should be set for a moment. And then let me see. Definitely want some of the browns. Try to turn these babies upright. Get the top coat going. Get us a few little gems on here. Alright, here we go. There we go on that. We're going to make this kind of simple. It's just a cute little fall mani. As long as those don't slide around too much. Okay, I think I like them where they're at. Maybe put it, whoops, 1 or 2 on this nail. What do you think? I think this is kind of cute. There we go. Fall is fast approaching. It'll be on the calendar, technically, legally, Sunday. So it's here. It is here. Oh, how pretty. Now if I can just get these to fold over, we'll be in business. There we go. I'm going to pop this in the lamp and I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. Cured them for 60. We're good to go. They are finito. Finito, finito, finito. I really love the fall. Love doing the nails like this. Can't go wrong with a little bit of water decals, a little bit of gems, some gel polish. You got a beautiful manicure. It's really simple and easy, but it turned out really beautiful. Let me see. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I would like to invite you to check out my new docu-series on Mondays. So it's, oh, wait a minute. Let me think here. It'll be Mondays. It's my acrylic learning to learn with me. Go along the acrylic journey with me. It's going to be a long one. I foresee. We shall see, won't we? But yeah, it's I've got one video out so far. Monday will be another, so it'll be 2. But I'm having fun, learning a lot, and I'm doing a lot of practicing. So check those out, or yep, that'll be those. And then check out my Saturday videos, the original She Modern Saturday. I have a lot of fun using She Modern products, showing you different manis and variations that you can do. And then we have our Thursdays, which will be any kind of nail art that I decide to do. It's always open. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Let me know what you think of Harley Marie's fall mani. I think it's kind of cute. Simple, easy, but still elegant. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click the bell. Don't forget to click the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos. My content is and always will be free, so you can sit back and relax on that note. And as always, have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.